few moments later.
Abusia we dey adetwam. So kai the issue of Oobakɛ any akwaba na ganfo no kirim say yenyi akwaba ni free Kotoka International Airport. Na yemfa Oobakɛ no emeto no. Na kam nim say eno ano no say o yenya sesa akwaba no ne de Oobakɛ be hye wanka omu awi. We we say enya no ano no. Enya no kwa do mra yeso. Eno ani no achi no. Ganfo no akostom Kotoka International Airport with some omu Kotoka Dance bi. Some Oobakɛ Dance bi I say enu no ma sha ase e de welcome me. Enu ma sha ase de welcome you know akwanufo no mo tukwa ebaba na endokwa esimu ye beka ho asem no akere wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say ni di mo obe like video no other ma subscribe button so be click notification icon no latest updates na be kire wadwen di ama me e wo comment section me so baswa no wa share for so enya bi ahwe and this is becoming tribalism. But I want to say there be any tribalism, a normal. Oobakɛ the issue of akwaba to Oobakɛ ever since Kwame Nkrumah Park signed the general hall me pop up next ko ho so na atwede was your welcome your ways or your akwaba na ye ni Oobakɛ ena maganfo no first say Kotoka International Airport ene Kwame Nkrumah Park na ye asase so na esie Ghana na mo pe capital town ye ni hu mo boje ye e de esi asase so amamo eti bibia da mo nhie ni monyam be eti mo fa yeso e kasa Oobakɛ na ena nto so mo yiso akwaba ache aha nya aka mamu aha ye gamamu it means ye kasa Oobakɛ I no coffee fan say we be by media. That's what I say. But many videos on that. I go for even banter between Ganfo no any akamfo no.
Ye ka nyansanfo mo app yi so a. Madam yo ma sa comment o ka ho bi. Onim nyansan papa. We say please Akosombo Dam should stop producing to other regions. Let's all respect ourselves. Eya no kure ni. Mo tenkran se sabi yenyi akwaba free ho na akwaba da ofitete be da ye free ho. Huh? Ghana has sabi pe language ya obia timi ka bia eya kan kasa ye twi ye wo obi nkran e wo ye nkran ni otimi ka twi but ye wo obi o afen say north otimi nkan but otimi ka twi what you say e ban sale na Kosomo fo no omo nkwa na omo nsu dam no omo nsu light e wa Kosomo regions ni nyina ye ma omo light biem e na bo omo me nyane Ghana ye ni abre no mo nyankwasa sa mo ti wa mu di ni pa ni abre adai ha Krofu owu ekwa anya mekasa fa ho na gera 14 kran jimi monka ho asem akwaba na moko ho ezu Oobakɛ
I can we say asane for the beje ntokwa no boss so abo bia pe kokwa ya no ko twitwire esie eti se Ganfo no be so mo shine a yeso mo tuni asane for no benya banta yeso ni akamfo benya beef anso mo din yatima kwa akire bi se asane for wo kan wasem no ye ko outsider kasa obi esua na mrofo nyina esua eye twi
Catch you, I know Brony was having say, hey, me catch you. Now what you cheat because we're called Ghana. As to say, Yamia Domission who here, who call Ghana? Ghana Crobeso, Kumasi him fan. I see a boy. Wow, I'm proud. Wow, you speak good cheese. Oh, take a crack. Oh, she wow, I'm proud. Hey, one with the world see country, you know. Also, for father, so Ghana, the other pan when you go. Food, good food.
Me pay
Bobby.
Fufunia
Banquine. Anna go back.
at the pan.
Hey, I had the pound. Hey, give him five. Hey. Someone who Bruni, I own the chrome, I will feed her through Deutschland, the whole sea country. It's one more, that's also in Chile, Metria. So I won't do see your proudest war country in one.
Excuse me. If I speak your language, I'll give you Kazakh chocolate.
Let me talk later.
Okay. I speak your language, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Just speak it.
It's the same.
What didn't they say?
Francis.
Hey. Me fui commencer. Me commencer. Me bois.
Didn't they say?
Me didn't Yuji.
Yuji.
Yeah. Meadow.
Yeah, I love you.
Meadow. Mr. Meadow. We love each other. Eh? This is Kazakh chocolate. Yeah. This is chocolate. Medase. Thank you. Medase.
what I say eye twi eti asane for no Omuko enye ne no mu beko omukwa da tamwa civilization ya be ni bi ebana no foru hunu nyansa esua de because oba Ghana ha oba Africa ha no mu a tribes ahodo a o masua de kwa akiri pa akamfo eto so tere tribe you say can educated tribe a omusua de a akamfo no ye ka ho eto so tere eti ye nye nipa nkumansa ana se ye kire ye culture e ma ne ye fe kwa outside ye kire culture.
Freckle. I received a package from Tribal Tongue, I believe, and is flashcards that you can use to learn tree. And my son has got it right now. I've already opened the package and I've already charged it. So can you show them what the package looks like? Okay, so this is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like, and it's from Tribal Tongue. Tree talking flashcards.
Do you want to open it and show them what is in there? What does it come with?
It comes with this charger and these instructions, and then this thing where
The machine.
the machine where you have to take it out and then press and hold.
Press and hold and put it on.
Hello, let's learn some tree.
Okay, so it comes with 2 flashcard sets. We are going to take one out. Whoops. And then let's see how it works. Kanyo, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put one in. So you slot it in. The other way.
Okay.
Yep. Slot it in.
Kramai.
Say it.
Kramai.
Kramai.
And then there's another one on this side.
Okra.
Okra.
Should we try another one?
Yeah.
Put the other one in.
Anoma.
Repeat it.
Anoma.
Hey guys, so many of our children want to know how to learn Chi, and we're here to help. So today we're going to start with greetings. Yuchia. Yesia said, Wuchia will be on the pa. Wuchia no machi. Area bre. So Oobakɛ no maha. Enyimre ana anajo so Oobakɛ no majo.
So that's really interesting. So if you met somebody in the morning, you would greet them by saying,
Machi.
well done. And if you met someone in the afternoon, you would say,
Maha.
and if you met somebody in the evening or at night, you would say,
Majo.
good. And if your dad greeted you, how would you respond?
Yaeja.
Well done. And if your mum greeted you, how would you respond?
Ya ena.
Well done. And if your brother or sister greeted you, how would you respond?
Ya nya.
Well done. So guys, there you have it. How to greet in Chi.
I don't go far. I mean, Thomas will be an airby. Kotoka International Airport, Honomo. What I say, Emma, because of that crowd, Gamanche, Edan, but to say, when ye, only they say promoting a culture and internal now, no. Say GS for teacher for more, or more, empha, teacher for me to match gan. Omu make sure some better gan. O massage so gan crony so now omu post teacher for more gano. Emma crash as soon as so. Sabia, o met me actually gan casano. I'm gonna quite teacher a brass almost omu outshining. Omu a shining. It only person omu a promote omu a culture. Now them say Kotoka Hanomono. Say Ghana yenya a whole be is almost some woman or minor. Ye ko welcome in a grand star and in a grand star no. Boabo nipa bia no e won fom ho asante akade ora se Adowa no omu hye kentania de ade no dress kama classic dressing no omu de Adowa yi asi so siketani asi Adowa na Kotoka ha no mo. bibia aye kama na eno mu no anagafo no say hey masa ni nyina ewo ya sat so dia no so ya boso ya mamu nyisu akwaba ewo Kotoka International Airport so ya ene sana mo Adowa na mo sa no da bia mamu nsa bi enti no efi na kro so obi ba hoho ba gafo no ye gafo no ye ne de ye Paul go ba ko hia wo mu kwai enti efi enu atiri no nya ba nyina de Kotoka International Airport gafo no akwaji aboso by force Oobakɛ aboso da busia asa obudi asi edwam no cheze ahoho kra na efra kwantu mu ba no omu na omu
national agenda ni symbols as I want different symbols get symbols wanna account symbols wanna Ibema symbols wanna nordness a single when you many of fancy ona me any ba mami na ke wo be culture all inclusive not only one culture or one thing na check because me anake we don't have one culture but we have different culture on when ka be the cultural troops come ever be where be at over many Motemami at the airport I don't know get you know here it's all about the Oobakɛ walk you don't think you miss your country, I know. Shia, mo. You are where be. You are hano na no fiano ni ano shia. Come on. Can you fly? They can my bag again. They can my bag again. Flower say they can my bag again. Can me no ale hey. Oobakɛ no now. We are welcoming all the visitors, all the Ghanaians that have been away from home for a long time. We are here just to display the culture of the Gadangbe people. And that's what you are seeing in your shot.
can share it. You can share the same aquaba and whatever it is. I think it's cool. Like, let's share. We can
different cultures. They work on our this is why we are here. Obanyo drop of comments. We are all doing this to champion the Kadangbe movement. Yes. The war boy any baby she be any ba one be amen. The Oobakɛ awa too. The war no na. Oh yeah, fly away. I'm a fly away. The many years to attack a hundred to get drop because Kalama hoje, come? Okay, 22nd November, we'll be organizing more of this. It's all about funds, but when you're able to get more funds, we will do all these things. It can't share call, but there's always a first time, and we want to share my channel. There are no don't know you are no quality. If it is about it, what know you more? What about Bomber than what you need? What about what you need? It's all about collaboration and effort of togetherness. One for the name, how much money, how about on board in Ewa, everybody is invited, you know.
Hey. I is a wish yawa. No way. O way. O manya utrako ako boka. Ako printe. Oobakɛ book kitwa bi. Some kind of different bi. Oobakɛ welcome here. Yeah, just I never mu. Say when they come to Ghana, this is Ghana, and welcome you with Oobakɛ. I never more take us on a senior. That is I some kind of different bi. I know you share the amount. You have video no na. Na ebum be so bad because open mother ko there. Open mother could have by force. I can't believe some quantity. Why, yes, and you find out them open in mass. Doesn't the failure near I just open him dear cosum. I like a food today. Massy Shanku, for me, I could jump per bintina. Me, I may take camera and Mukura have my fellow crowd. Any. That's so great. Me, I may take camera and Mukura have me heard through camera, coming my fellow mamma. What was you go for movie? Eddie has some great. Children, mamma, our comment session. I have Penyah Media.